my viewers, welcome back to our channel Kamsi Space. Did you miss me, your girl Kamsi? Thank you so much for stopping by to watch our video. Please do consider to hit the subscription button and subscribe, comment, like and share. Like Zara said, we're going to be making Akara, also known as bean cake. So follow us to our mommy's kitchen and let's start cooking.
Have you taken Akara before? But do you know how to make it? Okay, hold on. I'm going to show you how to make it today. So keep watching.
Let's go.
Go to the kitchen.
Met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club place.
Well, in my mommy's kitchen, before we start, we should wash our hands. It's very, very important to wash your hands. Okay?
So like Zara said, it's very, very important to wash our hands.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high.
So yeah, my viewers, the ingredients we're going to be using to make this akara are beans. These beans have already been washed. My mom washed them. I'm sure you know how to wash beans, but if you don't, it's very simple. All you've got to do is to pick out the unwanted ones and soak it for some minutes. Then put it in a blender and then blend it gently so the skin can remove. Then after that, you pour it in a sieve to allow the skin to remove. So other ingredients are sliced onions, red bell pepper, normal pepper, and green pepper. My mom loves green pepper. Whenever she's frying akara, she always adds green pepper.
Me too.
Salt to taste, and vegetable oil.
And water.
So now we're going to blend the beans to paste. So you just put in the beans in the blender.
I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your
So now you add in half of the onions. Then you add red bell pepper, then the normal pepper, and green pepper. Add small water, but be mindful of the water so you won't make the paste so watery. Now I'm going to cover it.
that you'll come home to me once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
done blending, so I'm going to pour it in another bowl. And after this, I'm going to blend in the remaining. So now, I'm going to transfer this into a mortar to smoothen it further.
What are you doing? Kamsi, what are you doing?
I want to smoothen it further.
That's interesting. Viewers, hope you're getting this video to make akara.
So now, I'm going to use a pestle and smoothen it. When you're doing this, do it in a circular motion, like this.
Kamsi, is this not smooth?
No.
This is how my mom does it.
Whenever she's making akara.
Yes. And you too.
Yeah, my viewers, my little sister Zara, she's trying to do it. Which one is bigger, the pestle or her?
Me, I'm
She's carrying it.
See?
Zara, you're still the only thing she's okay? Okay, so at this point, I'm going to add salt, but be mindful of it because beans is very salty. So now mix it again. Okay, so I want to test if the salt is enough. A lot of pepper in this. There I am. I think it's smoothened enough. So now I'm going to fry it. It's time to fry the akara. First, pour oil in the pan and allow it to heat in low heat. So now I'm going to fry the akara.
Your destination. You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.
So turn it one after the other. So now it's done. And see, it's done frying. Now repeat this until all the paste is gone.
I hope it means that you'll come home to me once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. You know,
Yummy.
you know.
My viewers, I want to ask you this question. What do you like taking your akara with? Is it custard or pap or tea? Please let me know in the comment section below. So my viewers, I hope you got step by step on how to make this akara in your kitchen.
I'm going to enjoy it with custard. I'm very excited. I hope you like this video.
Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like and share. And remember to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video on Kamsi Space. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
I know that, yeah, I know that you're the traveling